guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Mette and Michael. So what are we gonna do today, Mette?
We're going to create a Chris Evans inspired haircut from Endgame. Yeah.
Alright, are you up for it, Michael?
Yeah, sure.
Let's get to it.
Free your mind, seize the day. All your worries will not stay. Spread your wings and fly away. Yeah, you know you've always wanted more for your life. All your dreams have washed ashore. Break away from what you know. No one can take away your heart of gold. All your fears wash away with the waves. Only you can change your fate. No one can take away your heart of gold. Close your eyes, set a course. One day it'll all be yours. Oh, when you put your mind to something, you'll understand everything you want and more is in the palm of your hands. You know you've always wanted more for your life. All your dreams
hairstyle is done. So Michael, how do you like the hairstyle?
It's amazing.
And Mette, how was it to style it with the new products?
The new products were amazing. They worked perfectly.
And I also got to play around with the new Neon. It's an amazing sea foam. It works like a sea salt spray, but it's more texturizing because you apply it like a hair wax. And you can get it on Black Friday along with the wrecking ball. Smashing it out. Anyways, guys, as always, we have this secret giveaway. You just need to write a comment down below what you think about this episode. Give the video a like and you need to subscribe. Then we'll pick out a random winner in the next episode. See you guys next time.